So thanks everyone for joining the session. So welcome to the another bootcamp video. We are resumed this bootcamp after almost 3 to 4 months. Okay. Now the intention of this bootcamp is we need to upgrade internet operating system. Okay, it means iOS. So not only Cisco iOS, you know. So the attention is like we will learn the procedure of upgrade in Cisco iOS, but they will follow the same method for other vendors also, like Juniper. In Juniper I already teach you, right? How to upgrade Juno's OS in Juniper. Anyone can tell me the command? Just checking your skills. Anyone, did you remember how to upgrade a Juno's image in Juniper? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా ఇక్కడ గుర్తు పెట్టుకున్న వాళ్ళు? No one? Okay. Yeah, unmute and talk, man. Pardu, tell me the command if you remember.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. To push the Junos to the device, we should give the run request system software at /v//tab.
Yeah.
Then we should push the image.
Yeah. So you request system software add and the give the path. Request system
Yeah.
software add. So it is a Linux based operating system. That's why the command is different. So this is an old device. So let's explain first why we use to upgrade the devices. First, let's talk about that. Then what is the procedure to do upgrade? Okay. So what are the precautions you need to take before going to upgrade? Okay. Okay. Let's understand. Okay. Now I'm taking an example of 1900 series. Are you seeing this 1900 series? కనిపిస్తుందా? Are you able to see? Please respond quickly.
Yes,
No
sir. Yes,
way.
sir.
I cannot hold it. Okay. 1940
1941, right?
9141. Yeah. This is like 5 years, 4 years back. Still they're using in production. I'm also using in my office the same device. Okay. Now, okay. So what I'm trying to give you, I'm giving a cable. Okay. Power cable. So remember that if you want to upgrade the device, you should have a console access. Okay, because in case if anything happen during upgrade, you will see the log messages and identify what is the exact issue. As a tech engineer, we always recommend it to upgrade through console cable, but a lot of people are not doing that. They're doing remotely, and they will deploy one engineer at the location. They will do it remotely. In case if anything happens, he will log in the device and check it. Okay. Anyhow, I will tell you. Okay. Mm, okay. It's, it's turned on. Device is turned on. 1 second. Okay. So yeah, let's discuss about why we need upgrade. See, this is a mobile phone, right? So mobile phone automatically it will fetch with the server, right? It will fetch. It will always connect with the server. If you have internet, if you detect any software update, you will see, right? Yes or no? Software upgrade is detected, download it and install it. And once you download it, right, on this device, it will ask you to install at midnight 2 a.m. Yes or no? Does anyone has seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So that is automatically they, they, they push that. Okay. So general software update and it will check the it will check it. Okay. And then see it is asking now. So upgrade 4.26.1, it is asking 4.91 GB. Are you able to see this? Generally, this is mobile scenario. It's a hardware. This hardware, this mobile, we have a operating system internally. See, it is giving two options: upgrade now and tonight. Yes or no? Right? If I'm clicking on
Yes,
tonight,
sir. Yes, sir.
it is asking a password. Let me give you a password. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Now, so tonight at 2 a.m. it is scheduled. Okay, it is automatically scheduled at 2 a.m. Okay. Now, the thing is, this is for mobile phone. For this hardware, networking device, routers, switches, firewalls, we are the network engineers. We need to do first. When you buy a new device, it will come with the latest operating system. You know, right? Mobile phone also. If you buy a new device, it will come with latest operating system. Now, after every quarter or every 1 year, if you see every quarter they will release the patches, security patches, so to protect from attacks, or if they identify any bugs within this quarter, they will resolve that bugs, and they will release the one more patch version. Okay, so every year you will see the iOS versions will be released. Okay, so not only iOS version, Juniper vendor, if it is a Juniper vendor, if it is a Cisco vendor, whatever the vendors we have, right, they will release, they will keep on work on their operating system, and they will release the patches, they will you know release the main Junos or Cisco versions as well. Now the thing is, any big organizations, they're running with thousands lakhs of devices, they're handling with huge traffic. Okay, all of a sudden they identify a bug in the sense like, you configured a BGP. What do you mean by bug in the sense, you know you created a protocol, so this is expected behavior, but the protocol is not working as expected. It means you configured BGP, the configuration is good, everything is good, both the sides, but BGP or OSPF protocol, it is not working. Why? Because some bug, operating system is not it's not working properly. So how you identify it is a bug? So in Cisco or Juniper, generally in Juniper Linux based operating system, you will see the core dumps. Core dump means if the devices cannot handle the task, right, whatever the task, each and every device will have a processor. If the processor is not able to handle the tasks, right, either software processor or hardware processor, it will create internal core dumps. Core dump means before crashing the process or router, before rebooting the router, it will create a core dump. Hey, this is the reason I'm crashing the services. This is the reason I'm rebooting the device. Okay, it will create a code dump and it will keep it in a folder. Okay, now after rebooting the device, the services are restarted and everything will work as expected. But you see, there is a code dump. So that code dump, if you identify it, right, you need to give it to your vendor. Cisco is a Cisco, Juniper is a Juniper, whatever it is, and they will identify, okay, it's a known bug. Okay, it's a known bug issue and you need to upgrade. So they will decode the code dump and they will identify, okay, if it is a based on the task. So once the decode, right, they will get a trace options, like they will get some keys, valuable things. Those things they will only know that. So what I'm saying is, before crashing the device, they will create a bunch of files. That file we need to give to vendor. Vendor will analyze it, and he will identify. In case if they identify it's a known issue, if it is a known bug, they will tell us, hey, upgrade this iOS or operating system to fix this issue. In case if it is not at all, not at all created, or it is not working, and it's a new kind of behavior, so what they will do, they will create a sprint task for them. They will create a task internally. They will work on this new bug, and within 3 months they will identify it and they will fix the issue and they will release it. Okay, anyone would like to talk it, or else it was accidentally clicked on hand? Okay, so yeah, so I hope you understand. So generally this is all about big organizations. Some organizations, small organizations, they are still using the 10 years, 8 years iOS only. Okay, see, each operating system will have a validity, right? After some years, the software team cannot support our old operating system. Okay, suppose Windows 7, no one is using right now Windows 7, and Windows 10 also, now support is not there. Similarly, our iOS or Juniper operating systems, right, they will support, they will give support for some years only. Okay, so it is end of life and end of support. So I want to show you one thing. Let me share my screen. Hope you are able to see. Are you guys able to see? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yeah. So if you see iOS software download, see, if you want to upgrade any software, you must download the software. Yes or no? See, in my mobile, I have downloaded just now. It started download, but now the procedure is you need to download the software. And the question is which software I need to download. That you need to ask your system, tag team or your organization member. Okay, so which software you need to download, what? So I'm giving you situations. Which software you need to download? You saw a issue on your router and you created a ticket with the tag team. They identify the issue and they will give you the software code. Okay, you have to upgrade this software. Guys, understand what I'm saying? ఇక్కడ ఎట్లా జరుగుతుందో అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everyone. So in our mobiles, you no need to ask anyone. The mobile having internet connection, it is downloading the software and it is updating at the midnight. But the device, production devices, these are handling huge internet traffic. So when you will do upgrade, whenever your company identify a bug, understand? Whenever your companies identify a bug, you need to upgrade the software as per the vendor requirement. Understand? So that once you upgrade the operating system, the bugs will be fixed. Is it clear, everyone? See, now the vendor can provide you anything. If you want to download a software, right, you should have a contract with Cisco. Okay, you should have a contract with Cisco. Okay, na? So I cannot use my current company mail ID, but I can use my previous company's. Still, I have an entitlement, guys. I'm just showing you. So I can log in the devices. Okay. Uh, okay. You need to log into the account. Understand, everyone? So you need to log into
Yes,
your
sir.
Cisco account like this and download the software. See, I successfully logged in. So when I was working in
You're not able
Amazon,
to see the screen.
you're not able to see the screen. No, everyone able to see, right?
There. Yes,
No,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm able to see.
So
I'm
people
able to see.
whoever is unable to see, refresh your page. How many people able to see my screen? Raise your hands. See, lot of people able to see. So just check it. Okay. Now able to see everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now you
Yes,
see,
sir.
right? This is my recently downloaded uh, iOS. Like it's a wireless. Okay. If you want to download any device operating system, right? See, select a product. You need to log in here with your company username and password. You need to give it. And once you join in any company, your company will map with the vendor team, like either Cisco, Juniper, Huawei, whatever it is. They will create an account, they will map with you and use your company credentials and log into the device. Please go on mute. Requesting you, everyone, go on mute. Nagarjuna, Akineni, and Karde. Yeah, thank you. So log in this device and select the product. So which product we are going to upgrade now? Can anyone tell me the model? Just now I showed you, right? Which model? 1941. Okay, enter.
1941.
So yeah, I just entered 1900 series. Okay, click on this 1900 series. Now what you want? What you want exactly? You want to download a software or what?
Download software.
iOS.
Right? So 1941, I clicked it. So this is 1941 software on chassis or SRE service model. SRE. Okay, software on chassis. Click on that. So now you see this is a device. Okay. Go to downloads, routers, router name series, 1941 router and software on chassis. And what is the software on that chassis? Now click on iOS software. Now you see that this is the latest version. 15.8.3 is the latest version. Okay now, hello,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, right? This is the latest version. September 20, 2021 was the release date. Okay. Please note that it is already end of life and end of support. In case, what does it mean end of life, EOL and EOS? End of life, end of support means in case if they identify any bugs in the software, they're not going to work on it. అర్థమైందా? మీరు వాడుతున్న సాఫ్ట్‌వేర్‌లో ఏమన్నా బగ్స్ వస్తే మేము ఇంకా సపోర్ట్ చేయము. అది పాత ఓఎస్ వాడకండి. అందరూ మీ కొత్త అప్గ్రేడ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్‌ని అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసుకోండి. కొత్తది వాడండి అని చెప్తుంటారు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? హలో.
Sir.
Yeah, right? Yeah. So now universal K. So it is a dot bin. Okay. So download it. See, I'm downloading it. So accept Cisco general terms and conditions. I'm accepting it. So it is downloading. So whatever the software you want to upgrade, that software version name will will be given by who? Will be given by tag team. Now randomly I downloading one software. See, here you will see the lot of releases, right? See, currently log. Let's see what version I have it in my router. What version I have it in my router? I'm logging into the I'm logging into the device through console. Okay, na. Look.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So let me log in into the console. Okay. Teach me how to log into the device through console. Go to party session, serial, and now check it device manager.
Port number
And what is the port number I have? COM1 only.
1. Yeah.
Okay. It's not a common one, right? I think it is not detected. Let's remove this. Let's insert it back. Yeah, now it's connected. I don't see other port. It is communication port 1 only. Okay.
It's common only.
Why it is not showing port? Any problem with this port? Mhm. Okay. Let's see. ఒక నిమిషం సరిగా కేబుల్ లేదు నీట్గా కనెక్ట్
ఒకసారి ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఒకసారి వస్తుందా?
లేదు లేదు యాక్చువల్గా పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ అది డిఫాల్ట్ 1 ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా మనకి ఇప్పుడు డిటెక్ట్ అయింది చూడు ఎంత వచ్చింది కామ్ నెంబర్
5. 5.
కమ్యూనికేషన్ నెంబర్ 5 ఓకే అది సీరియల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని కామ్ నెంబర్ 5 కొట్టి ఎంటర్ కొడితే బూమ్ యూ విల్ సీ ద CLI see now you see right okay see I'm clicking on no okay na okay so guys so మీకు అర్థమైందా ఏ సందర్భంలో మనం ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తాం అనేది ఏ సందర్భంలో చేస్తాం ఒకవేళ
బగ్స్.
మీరు వాడుతున్న ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఓల్డ్ అయితే ట్యాగ్ టీమ్‌ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి సరిగ్గా వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదని చెప్పొచ్చు. లేకపోతే మీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్‌లో ఏదైనా బగ్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై అవుతే ట్యాగ్ టీమ్‌కి టికెట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి, "హే! మీరు చాలా పాత ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వాడుతున్నారు. దయచేసి అప్‌గ్రేడ్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు ఇష్యూస్ అన్నీ రిజాల్వ్ అవుతాయి" అని చెప్తారు. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? కొన్ని లక్షల రౌటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ అప్‌గ్రేడ్ అంతా ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ అవుతది తెలుసా? అప్‌గ్రేడ్ ఆన్ డివైసెస్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్‌లీ వన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. అది ఎంత 2 ఇయర్స్, 3 ఇయర్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అవుతది. డేటా సెంటర్‌లో ఉన్న డివైస్. ఇప్పటికి 1 ఇయర్, 2 ఇయర్స్ అన్ని లాక్స్ ఆఫ్ డివైసెస్‌ని మాన్యువల్ కూడా కాదు ఆటోమేషన్. ఒక గంటలో 85 డివైసెస్ మేము అప్‌గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఒకే ఒక గంటలో. త్రూ ఆటోమేషన్. ఓకే. వితౌట్ ఆటోమేషన్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో విత్ మాన్యువల్లీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ మినిమమ్ 4 to 5 అవర్స్. యెస్ ఆర్ నో? గైస్
Yes.
రైట్? సో ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ హ్యూజ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకేనా? ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ కేర్‌ఫుల్ వెన్ యూ అప్‌గ్రేడ్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? సో మిమ్మల్ని అందరిని ఫ్రెషర్స్‌ని అందరిని తీసుకునేది ఇందుకే. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ ఐ యామ్ ఆన్ రౌటర్. ఓకే. దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ రౌటర్. దిస్ రౌటర్ హ్యావ్ ఎ మెమరీ కార్డ్ రైట్? ఇంటర్నల్లీ మెమరీ కార్డ్ ఉంటుంది కదా! మన మొబైల్‌కి ఎలాగైతే మెమరీ ఉందో దీనికి కూడా మెమరీ ఉంటుంది కదా! యెస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇట్ ఈస్ హావింగ్ ఎ మెమరీ. హౌ టు చెక్ ఎ మెమరీ? డైరెక్టరీ
Show. Flash.
నాట్ నో, నో, నో. ఇట్స్ ఎ ఫ్లాష్ మెమరీ. See, this is a flash memory. I already have a plenty of images in my device. So 15.155.3 see 155 ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఇది 155 డాట్ it's 15.5 so 155.157 dot, this is the latest version I downloaded it. See, 82 MB ఉంది. సో మీకు ఒక విషయం తెలుసా? ద సేమ్ ఇమేజ్, bin image, we are using in GNS3 and using it. Yes or no? అవునా కాదా? See, this is a
Yes, sir.
GNS3 in our lab. The same image, if you see template, what is the image we are using? 50, 150.3, same image. Yes or no? Are we using the same image?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Same operating system, same real image we are using it. Okay? See, this is a operating system. I have downloaded successfully. What is that? 158.3. So now, this is the first step. First step ఇచ్చి ఎందుకు అప్గ్రేడ్ చేయాలి? Why we want to upgrade? You got the clarity on that, everyone? Anyone having question? Any questions? You got a clear picture,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Why we want to upgrade? Okay. Now, the
Yes, sir.
real thing is,
Sir,
yeah, you're asking
hello.
something? Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir. End of life and end of support.
Hmm.
End of life means software support is not available, but hardware support is there, right?
So I'm talking about only software.
Okay,
So
okay.
for hardware also we have UOS and UOL. Yes. Hardware support also
So,
same. Yeah.
so what is the difference between end of life and end of support?
End of support means, even the product is end of life, the support will carry for some time. Like, hardware is created. Hardware, lot of people purchase hardware. You purchase the hardware in 2025. They announced in you purchased yesterday. Today they announced we are not. This could be end of life product. It means we are not selling this product. However, who the persons who purchased recently, they need support, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes, yes.
So when you have already contract 7 years or 5 years or 2 years, that support, whatever the contract you have, that kind of support they will give you. Understand? So now today onwards they stop selling the products, so that going forward it's end of life. The life, the product life is ended. Now support will be carry until until you have a warranty or support. Okay, is it clear now?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, clear.
yeah.
Thank you.
So now the thing is, you need to copy the image to your router where you want to downloading, right? This image. Is it audible, guys? So copying the image is very critical. So copying the image in your flash memory. Where? This flash memory. ఈ ఫోల్డర్లో నువ్వు ఇమేజ్ని కాపీ చేయాలి. ఎట్లా కాపీ చేసావు? యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ రీచబిలిటీ టు డివైస్, నీ డివైస్కి ఐపీ అడ్రస్ ద్వారా రీచబిలిటీ ఉంటే, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ విన్ఎస్సిపి లైక్ దిస్. You can use WinSCP like this, and this is your system. See, if you go on downloads, right? Go on downloads. Where is that? Yeah, go to C driver, and then uh, users. Uh, okay, users and PP networks downloads, right? If you go here, you will see plenty of, you know. Wait a second, where the image is downloaded here, right? So now this is a path. Users PC downloads. So PC downloads, okay? It means C users PC and downloads. సో ఇక్కడ మన ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? కింద ఉంటుంది మనకు తెలిసి. వేర్ ఈస్ దట్ ఇమేజ్? ఐ థింక్ లెట్స్ సి. C right? 19006. లెట్స్ సి ద C19006. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఇమేజ్, ఇందాక డౌన్లోడ్ చేసింది. సో నౌ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ? యూ నీడ్ టు డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ దిస్ హియర్. So left side is your computer, right side is what? Your device. What is my device IP? See, so IP interface brief. Currently, okay, I did not save the configuration. So you need to assign a IP address to your device. Okay. Currently, I'm not using it. Okay. So I logged in through console, right? It is not connected to any network. In case if it is connected to any network, ping the device to from your PC to the router. Okay, now log in the router through this, like this. Okay, how you will log in? So you can establish a connection and give the router IP address and password. So right side you will be logged in. It will be like this. So go to the flash memory and drag and drop this. Understand? Is it clear? Drag and drop this. Okay. So yeah. So now I have copied the image already, but this is a procedure. If you just drag and drop it, it will do that. WinSCP is one tool. FileZilla is also one tool. FileZilla also have a same thing. Okay, download WinSCP or FileZilla. So you can copy the images on your device or servers. Okay, GUI mode lo చూపిస్తుంది మనకి. It will show you GUI mode, not CLI mode. So you can easily copy to the respective folder. If you want to use FTP also, okay, copy the images, log in the device, you should have a reachability and do it. Or else, you don't want to do this, you are in front of the device, copy the image on your USB. Pen drive is there, right? Pen drive. Copy the image on USB and connect to your router on USB slot and mount the USB and copy the file from USB to your router, flash router. Understand? USB like a external memory. From that USB to this flash memory, you can copy it. End of the day, whatever the procedure you want to proceed it. I need a image in this flash memory to upgrade the device. Easy clear. Easy clear. So all the step-by-step procedures are captured in this document. This document already is there in our website, right? It's already there in our website. Go to our website. Okay. So go to our CCNA training videos, CCNA, right? CCNA and training videos. So give the password and now you will see iOS upgrade procedure and download it. And once you download, this is a document. Okay. So this is a normal in our office, right? How to upgrade the device. The document is here. Very simple. But you have in your real world ASR devices, ASR 9K, ASR 903, ASR 920. Those devices, the upgrade procedure is different. So first of all, guys, depends on the model, you will have a images. So see now. Now, right now, which one we have choose? 1941, right? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I have downloaded. Search for the model. Okay. Branch routers. Now search for the model. So 920. It's the ASR 920, right? The ASR 920 routers. Click on it. Now see, it is iOS XE operating system. Okay. Anna, you in service. This is in service software upgrade. So this is ISSU method. This is different. Okay. It will see when you want to upgrade, you need to reload the device, right? Reloading the device will take 10 to 15 minutes. So 10 to 15 minutes of impact you will see. So if you want to upgrade through USB, this is a software. If you want to upgrade general way, download it. So different methods, you have a different softwares. See, it has 514 MB for iOS SR ASR 920 and download it. Okay. So the thing is, guys, you have everything here. Whatever the model you want, you can choose it, and whatever the version, exact version suggested by the company, Cisco company, select it and download it. Make sense, everyone? So this is different method. It is a iOS XE. We have three types of operating system: iOS, iOS XE, iOS XR. XE and XR completely based on Linux. Okay, yeah. So whatever it is, it's a simple command. Okay, so I captured how to execute a command for iOS iOS XE also. So it is here. I captured here for all the models. See, for all the models, what is the method to upgrade the devices? I have captured here. So I will give it to you after the session, guys. Okay, na? Yeah. So very critical thing. So the first thing you would like to know is why we are going to do upgrade. Now, is it clear? Now, the first step of upgrade procedure is, what is the first step of upgrade procedure? First, downtime. Downtime is required. Yes or no? Downtime is required. So if you see right from ATMs, you will see there is a downtime at midnight. Have you observed, guys? Observe, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the thing is, either if you want to do any changes on your production environment, you cannot do it on daytimes. Okay. Whenever the users are not using the services. that time only you need to upgrade it. Yes or no? Hello? If in case this upgrade process requires reload, that reload will interrupt the services. Suppose in bank during daytime, if you want to upgrade, you want to reload the device. So they're doing millions of transactions. If anything happened, right, entire millions of transactions got, you know, impacted. Understand? So be careful when you do upgrade. So we have a downtime. You have to take a downtime. When is the downtime? When the users are sleeping, when the users are not using the services. In India it is night time. Even in US also their night time. Okay. So yeah. So during night times we need to schedule a maintenance window. Not only night times, ask the customer, hey, what is the maintenance window hours for you? Okay. And schedule this the activity, upgrade activity, and start doing this. Okay. So now the thing is, I am working in a company and I identified a issue. Hey, these services are not working. After logging the device, I see some uh, uh, core dumps and other unexpected things. Logs I gave into Cisco tag team. They analyzed it. They said, hey, your router, your organization is using very old iOS operating system. Please upgrade it. So they suggested it and they given the software also. We logged into with to the Cisco portal using our credentials and downloaded it. Okay. Now, after downloading the image, we successfully copied through Cisco device, right? So for bigger organizations, they don't copy to your local routers. They will maintain a server. Understand? They will maintain a server. In that server, they will copy the image. Okay. The device, all the devices are having a connectivity to the server. Okay. Internal server, internal. So they will copy the image through URL. They will use SCP method. So they will copy the so the or else they no need to copy also. They can give the server path also directly while upgrading it. It's okay. Let me tell you, but that is very dangerous because this is your local device. The server is located somewhere else. So in case if you lost the connectivity with the server, the upgrade will be interrupt, right? That's why they don't dare it. Okay. So you have to copy the iOS image locally. Okay. So the realistic way is no one will copy from your computer since it is my own thing, right? That's why I downloaded from portal and I kept it in my computer to device. But that is not a case. Okay. Once I download it, right, I'll keep it in server. Every company will maintain their FTP server. FTP server is like a file transfer protocol. What is FTP port? Can anyone please tell me? What is FTP port?
2021.
Very good.
20.
20. Yeah, 21, 20. TFTP is 20, FTP is 21. Yeah. Yeah, both are 2021. Very good. So the thing is, yeah. So every organization maintains a server. Okay. They will copy their all the product iOS images, important configuration files, everything in the FTP server. Okay. So if you want to upgrade, right, internally, you no need to log into the Cisco account. Every time, why you need to log into the Cisco account? And also all the employees doesn't have access to the Cisco account. Okay. Only one admin person has a Cisco access to the Cisco account. He can download it and he will keep it in server. Okay. Now you have to download it from server internally using SCP protocols. You can download it. How you will do like this? See, so how you can do like you can do like SCP source. Okay, or else FTP. Okay. So we have a method here. I have captured here. Uh, one second. Yeah, here. So this is another method. Okay, copying the file. Are you seeing it, guys? Here, like this.
Sir,
Copy FTP.
can you share it?
Not visible, bro.
Oh, sorry,
Share.
man. Yeah, one second. Let me share. This time I did not share it. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. This is a command. Copy FTP and the FTP server. Where the FTP server? In that FTP server, you should have this file. Understand? Copy FTP and FTP server and the path and give the flash local path. This is a local path. So this is a source. Okay, this is a source and this is a destination. Flash memory is our local path, right? So you should have a reachability to 0.3. This is a FTP server IP. So you're copying from this FTP server this image to your flash memory. Is it clear, guys? Hello, is it clear? Okay, so
Clear.
they will do that from FTP server. So now I have the show. Oh, sorry, what is that? Directory of flash. See, this is a flash. So I have already copied these images. So currently, which version I'm using? How to check? What is the current version of the device? How to check?
Show
Show
version.
version.
Okay.
So
So now, what version I have it?
15.1.
Okay. So now I have 155.3. Can I go ahead 15.5? So this is
Yes.
the version I have it. Okay. So once you download the image, do checksum also. Checksum MD5 checksum. It means whether the download successfully completed or not. You will have a key. Okay. MD5 checksum is a once you download the image properly, the key also will show you correctly. So you have to check your source key and after downloading the key. So how to check key here? Checksum. See,
Verify.
checksum. Yeah, verify flash
Slash
user
M.
MD5. So MD5 checksum, right? And where you want to verify, you have only one flash. This as well as and the what is the file here? This is it. Okay. See, it is verifying the checksum. Okay, and it will show you the key. If everything is good, and you can compare with the checksum also. So in website also you have a checksums. Okay, here once you download it, right, it will download along with the checksums. Okay, yeah, this is a basic procedure every engineer is doing right now, right guys? Yes or no? ఇదే కదా మీరు చేసేది, ఇవే కదా స్టెప్స్ మీ ఎంఓపీలో కూడా ఉన్నవి, అవునా?
Yes.
Yeah, so whatever we're discussing, everything is on live, right? So ఈ ఇమేజ్ యొక్క చెక్సమ్ ఏంటి? దిస్ ఇస్ అ కీ. ఈ కీ మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి వెబ్సైట్ లో ఉన్న కీ, నువ్వు కాపీ చేసిన ఇమేజ్ ఆన్ ద డివైస్ కీ. బోత్ ద కీస్ షుడ్ బి మ్యాచ్. ఈజీ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? హలో,
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
yes,
అందరికి
yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా? విచ్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్. సో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్, ఫ్రెషర్స్, గైస్, దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. No institute can teach this. Yes or no? Is there any institute can teach all these things? Okay, so this is not an institute we would like to learn practically, right? So that's where I always want to do that. After this, if you have interest, I can teach you how to recover the password also. Maybe next boot camp we can discuss. Okay, let's see. Okay, now the key is perfectly matched. Okay, so now shall we do that? Shall we? Okay, shall we upgrade it? So what is the method to upgrade? Simple, you need to change the boot variable. Okay, so now follow the document which I have gave you, right? So first verify the connectivity to the first download the correct iOS image from Cisco, right? I have downloaded it and place the image. I copy the image in flash. That is done. Now the third step is set the boot system variable. Okay. So what I need to do? Go to config terminal. Okay. So I need to
ఇక్కడ
give the yeah,
నో బుట్ ఇవ్వమా ఇక్కడ?
yeah, istam. You
ఓకే.
can give no boot, no boot system. You need to give that. So yeah, so you have to give this. Okay, no boot system. So I have captured here. అది కొన్ని మోడల్స్ బట్టి కూడా ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఫర్ దిస్ రైట్ ది డాట్ బిన్ ఫైల్ is directly you can give the image name. Okay, you no need to extract it. If you have a bundle image means the iOS upgrade is having 10 GB 12 GB of file. So to read the 10 GB 12 GB file, it will take a lot of time. That's why what they will compress the file, that is called a bundle file. So ASR 920, 93, those are like a bundle files. It's a big image. So once that's why the process of the command of upgrade is different for that. Okay. Here it is a small file, small operating system. Okay. Now
Currently, this router is in bundle mode.
no. This is not a bundle. Okay. This is a old. This is a normal 1941 series, right? It's not required bundle. Only ASR 920 is bundle. Is it clear?
So actually, how to check whether it is in a bundle mode or install mode?
Which one?
No,
So you
the
already
OS.
downloaded it. You already downloaded, right? Generally.
Yeah, this downloaded, but in our device, how we find this is bundle mode or install mode?
So you mean so you can check version, na? Show version.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you show version, you will see .tcc file. It is called bundle, right? If it is right. So generally, when you're downloading it, right, you will come to know. Okay. However, which image it is installed, bundle image or what is another one? Install image.
Yeah, installed.
Install mode.
So generally we have a commands also to check bundle mode or install mode. Okay. In especially nowadays iOS XE, right? So you can check the mode actually. Show version is coming. Let me see here.
Oh,
This is a legacy device. I don't think we can see here, but let's see. Do show version. Include mode. So it is not showing, but include mode. Mode will show you whether it is a bundle mode or you know or else you know or else is a install mode. So mode, there
okay.
is an option called mode. Do show version. You will see a option called mode here. I have a 3850 switch. The lab is turned off actually. So generally, if you have it right, okay, this router is configure register is oh my god. So this is 0 cross 41. It should not be 0.41. I need to change the register. This configuration register, you must change it, guys. Okay. So this is so what will happen? So this package will be installed at next reboot. Okay. See this. The technology package license information module. Okay. So you need to change the config register. What does it mean? It means you need to change the configuration to 0 cross 2. Okay. Why? Because if you even if you configure anything, if you save it right, it will remove from your NVRAM. Okay. So you need to change the config register to another one. So we have a config register. So let me tell you the config register here. Okay, let me show you here. One sec. Where is it here? Okay. So configure register is very important for each model. The config register is different. Generally, it is you know so it is 0 cross 210. Okay. The
Bro,
thing
not
is,
visible, bro.
so, yeah. So you need to do config. You need to set like config register this one 2102. Okay. Yeah. So let me. Oh, I want to enable it. Okay. So this will tell you what is the configuration now 0 cross 41, right? Just configure anything and reboot the device. It will be gone. So that's why what you need to do, change the config register. It's a very mandatory thing. So go to here config register. It is one 21. Okay. 21. This is the one. This will you know this is a register you must you know mention it. Okay. Now once you do after this, right, you need to reboot it to apply this. Okay. So now see,
Why, bro?
hello, show version. Hello. Yeah, please tell me. See, after
Bro, ఎందుకు
configuring,
చేంజ్
right,
చేయాలి అనేసి వాళ్ళకి
మీ వాయిస్ చాలా లోగా వినిపిస్తుందండి.
బ్రో అదే ఎందుకు చేంజ్ చేయాలి లైక్ అంటే
అదే
జీరో
చెప్తున్నాను.
క్రాస్ ఫోర్
ఇది గాన చేంజ్ చేయకపోతే మీరు ఏం కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేశారో అవన్నీ ఎరేజ్ అయిపోతాయి. 041 represents it will ignore the configuration in NVRAM. సో కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ స్టోర్ అవ్వదు. రీబూట్ చేసిన ప్రతిసారి లాస్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై యూ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్.
So
config register. So
if we
starting of
save also, it will get removed. Huh? If we
yes,
save that right memory also.
yes, write memory also it will give the same. Okay, na? So now I changed it, right? So write memory and say the configuration will store in NVRAM. After reboot, it will be gone. Okay, that's why you need to change this register. It means someone is using it. 041 అనేది బై డిఫాల్ట్ కొత్త కొన్నప్పుడు ఇస్తారు. ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా చేసినా కూడా పోతుంది అనమాట రీబూట్ చేసిన వెంటనే. సో ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ ఈస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు యూజ్ ఇట్, రైట్, చేంజ్ ద రిజిస్టర్ అండ్ యూజ్ ఇట్. Now you want to store information in your NVRAM. Okay, now give a reload. Okay, okay, reload. How to reload the reload is a command and just enter it. So now it is reloading it. Is it clear, guys? Okay, the first step is this is main thing. Or else I can change the boot system and reload. The software will be upgraded. It's okay. Let it reload. Okay, yeah. So it is reloading now. So guys, one more thing. You're doing in a production environment, right? Don't worry about the steps. In every organization, they will give you a document like this. Okay, the document is called what? Method of procedure or SOPs. Okay, so even people who don't know about networking, if you follow the document, you can do that. Yes or no, senior guys, right?
Yes.
Everything they are mentioning it. Each and every step they will mention it. See, in your production environment, if you want to make any changes, okay, either it is a upgrade activity, either it is a anything. Okay, ఒక production device లో if you want to make any changes like config changes or a upgrade activity, right, what you have to do, you must take a approval. So create a MOP document. That MOP document will tell you what is the intention of this upgrade. Okay, Cisco given this task to us, like Cisco identified the bug and that's why we are doing this upgrade. Okay, now what are the pre-checks? You might configure OSPF, BGP, LLDP, lot of things you might configure on the device. Okay, take all the outputs, show tech support bundle, everything. Collect all the output from the devices. Okay, that is called pre-checks. Suppose if you have 5 BGP neighbors, show BGP summary. So before upgrade, all five BGP neighbors are up. Okay, now check any environmental issues, alarms, hardware errors, everything. Check it. Okay, now after taking a pre-checks, right, save it in one file. Now you need to initiate a upgrade process. So upgrade process means you have already downloaded, right, the image, and you copied your, you know, what is that, you copied into your flash memory. Now you see, right, my screen, guys. So it is, see, now check it, show version, include register, config register. Okay, so now uh what is that, show version, it will be, yeah, now it is changed to 0 as 2100. Yes or no? Hello? But now it is changed, right? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Now flash, direct flash. Okay. See this image. Now I want to do thing, no boot system. Okay. So no boot system. So you must give it, otherwise it will keep on boot it. Okay. Yeah. So shall we start upgrading now? It will complete within 5 minutes. Shall we do that?
That actually the no boot is a system మనం ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నాం actual గా దాంట్లో చేంజెస్ అవుతుంది ఏమన్నా?
Yeah, generally uh, it is very important if you give no boot system. So అదేంటంటే boot అయ్యేటప్పుడు it will generally you will mention a boot variable, right? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
dot bit.
So generally what will happen, the main purpose of no boot system is if you make any changes manually, right, like boot image path from startup config, like ఎట్లా అంటే స్టార్ట్అప్ కాన్ఫిగ్ ఫైల్లో బూట్ ఇమేజ్ పాత్ ఉంటుంది జనరల్గా. సో జనరలీ యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఫైల్, రైట్, ఇన్ యువర్ డివైస్, startup config file. Yes or no? Running startup
Yes.
config. In that startup config template, you have mentioned that boot variable. Okay, some path you have mentioned. So every time it reboots, it will take a this operating system. Okay, so you can check that. Show boot. I did not configure anything now. Okay, show boot. Is it showing anything? BBBOOT. Okay.
Show boot system.
Show boot. So actually, this router cannot support boot system things. Okay. That's why there is no such a command, right? Okay. Na?
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
every time you need to check it. So, there is a startup config file. In that file, you may mention the path, boot path every time. So in case, every time it will choose the same path only. So it will choose the same operating system to boot. However, you need to check, you need to give no boot system, but 1941 router you no need to give because it's not support any boot system. It's not required to give. Okay, is it clear? For other devices,
Yes.
it supports boot system. There is a config file, స్టార్టప్ కాన్ఫిగ్ ఫైల్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఫైల్‌లో నుంచే మీ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ కూడా లోడ్ అవుతుంది. అందులోనే మీరు బూట్ పాత్ ఇచ్చింటారనమాట. మీరు లోడ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఈ ఈ పాత్‌ని యూజ్ చేసుకోండి అని. ఓకేనా? యాహ్! బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఈస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ బ్రదర్ నౌ?
Yes, brother.
యాహ్!
Yes, yes.
నౌ యూ కెన్ చెక్ boot variable systems. Okay? Just give this. What is the command? Now boot system flash. Just boot system. It means you're giving manually command like, okay? Boot system. Are you ready? Boot system. Give a flash. I think it's 0. Flash 0. So what is the path? Word. Actually, I need to give here. Where it is there? Flash 0 only, right? It is flash 0. Yes or no? Flash 0. What is the flash 0? 151. This is the one. Okay? Oh my goodness. Carefully select it and paste it. Is it clear? Follow the document. Everything will be clear. Okay? The file name. Flash colon file name. Is it clear? Hello? Hello? Is
Yes,
it
yes,
clear?
yes.
Flash and remove this. Okay. I set the show. Now check the show boot now. Do show boot. Okay. It's not support, but it's okay. Yeah. It's not supported, right? Okay. Now I gave this path and end and write the memory, save it and reload it. That's it. Simple.
No, so then,
Yeah.
Manaki, how will know it is up, it is booted or like that? This
That's what, man. You need to reload it. You gave the path.
no,
So
no. After we booting, first we have to check, right, whether it is
no,
or
you already checked it, right? Show version. It is running with 151. You missed that.
yes, we checked previously, but after we booting, this image has to be sure, right, in boot system.
No,
Now,
it's not support boot system, man. This model cannot
okay,
support
okay,
boot
this
system.
model old. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
understood. Thank you.
yeah. So that's what you checked it, show boot. Okay.
Okay,
Show boot variable, you can check it, it will show you if the boot variable is set or not. Okay, na? Yeah. So now we are directly doing it. Okay. So now if you see what is the version before I reload, it is 15.1, right? What path I gave here, next time if I reload, it will take from 55.3. Okay. So now save it first. Okay. Write it. Okay. And reload it. Yeah. So observe the console logs. Okay. So always recommend you to take a console session and upgrade the iOS. Otherwise, what will happen? Once you reload it, right, you lost the activity, you lost the connection, right, through SSH. Okay. Yeah. So you need to save these session logs also. Okay. Now you guys should save it session logs also. Okay. So now it is booting. Session logs, how to can save it? Right click on it, change the settings. You see the logging here. Yeah. And now you want to session log all output, right? So give the name. What is the name? iOS upgrade. iOS upgrade dot txt. Do it. And where you want to save this file? Here, some iOS upgrade. Did I created any iOS upgrade folder here? Okay, fair enough. I can do here. Okay. Now apply it. So all the commands, whatever this is a proof. See, proof where you executed. Now see, this as symbol is telling that it is upgrading the new image. See guys, are you seeing it? iOS image load test. So it is taking a new one. So you just change the variable here. Okay. So what I have given, this is very important. Boot system. Do the path and save it and reload it. Okay. So now using 7% of IOM, very nice. It has 712 MB of RAM. Fantastic. Let's see now. So same way, I have downloaded the new image, right? What is
Yeah,
that?
15.5.
Ramesh, I have a doubt here.
1 second, brother. Which
Yeah.
image we have downloaded? Uh, 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 okay, not here. 1 second. 15 dot, not this. Yeah, 15.8 we have downloaded. We can do it later if you want. Okay. Yeah. What is your query, please?
Yeah, my query is like if somehow the power loss happens during upgrade,
Hmm.
does it corrupts or
Definitely it will
restart?
corrupt. Definitely it will
Okay.
corrupt the system. So that's why you need to you definitely the production devices have a backup, right? Power backup. Okay. Worst case scenario, if the devices turn off, even though your mobile phone also do not turn off your phone during upgrade, right? Definitely it will be crashed. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
That you need
okay.
to recover it, erase it and recover it. Yeah. See, now it is upgraded. Go to enable show version. It we should show. See, it is successfully upgraded. Yes or no? Earlier, what was it? 15.1. Now, what is the version it is? 15.5. So we have successfully,
15.5.
yeah. So we have successfully upgraded the image. Guys, there are a lot of things. So sometimes this is a normal old device, right? We can directly do that. But the devices which are in production, right? If you are using very old device, you cannot upgrade directly. So currently it is 15, right? Something you if you're using 9 version, 9 to 15, you cannot directly upgrade. There will be a upgrade path. Okay. So that's why you need to take a proper confirmation from tag team, the vendor team, and get to know the procedure. And that procedure you need to test in your test bed. You know what? All the production companies, they will test in their lab devices. Every company will have their own lab. Okay, they will test in their lab devices. Once the lab device testing is done, they will start pushing in production. During this upgrade, if anything happens, right, without testing, if you do it, in case if anything happened, to recover that, it will take a lot of time. We cannot even predict it how much time it will take to recover. Okay. So whatever the activity, upgrade activity, any activity that can be tested in their test bit, and once the permissions you got it right, they'll proceed to create a MOP. MOP, this is MOP. You are seeing, right? This MOP was created by me. Cisco iOS upgrade, step-by-step procedure. This is MOP based on our students version. I created this. Okay. So this is MOP, but companies will create another MOP. This is straightforward but realistic way. They will check, show OSPF neighbors, show BGP neighbors, show version and all. Now upgrade is successfully completed. Now collect the same outputs. The pre-checks, post-checks outputs are matched, right? You are good. Okay. Yeah. This is how you need to upgrade the image. What are the 4 steps? First, download the image, copy into your flash, and change the boot system variable. Okay. This is for old devices. For new devices, right? It's the same thing. Copying and keep it in your device is same. Okay. Now we did this series, right? For ASR 9 case, ASR 1 case. Okay. So you will see this is the procedure. Okay. So here it is. So if you see, right, if you have a bundle mode, right, it will show you the bundle mode. So bundle mode is a legacy mode, and install mode also you have it. Show version include mode. If you see whether it is a bundle mode or what, whether it is a I mean install mode, you will see that. Okay. So you need to Cisco iOS XR, right? 9K. So this is so here in 9K iOS XR version uses different commands like commit, install, commit. Okay. You need to use these keywords, different keywords. Okay. Now, so can you hear me, everyone? So how you will upgrade
Yes,
ASR
sir.
9, ASR 920 How you will upgrade? This is a way. Request platform software package, install, switch all, and the file name. Okay. This is a command they use it because it's a different operating system. Currently, whatever you did upgraded, that is normal internet operating system. But this is iOS XE operating system. For iOS XE, this is a command, but the procedure, everything is same except the command. Okay, request platform, software package, install switch all file and give it. Okay, this is it. Okay, now for ASR 9 case, this is the way. Okay, install all NXOS. Okay, you will use the keyword called install keyword or request platform keyword. Okay na? Yeah, so the commands, everything I have documented here. Okay na? So I will give this
సార్
doc.
యాక్చువల్గా ఇది
Mm, mm.
9000 కి మేము ఇది ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇస్తాం కమాండ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ యాడ్ ఫైల్ దాన్ని కూడా
Okay.
ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా.
Yes, yes, yes. Good.
ఇది కాదు ఇన్స్టాల్ యాడ్ ఫైల్ ఫ్లాష్
Yeah,
పైది
install add all flash memory wherever it is. Yeah, I got you. Yeah,
ఓకే.
yeah. So everything I have captured here. Yeah. So commands easy and you can get it anywhere. But ఏంటంటే you should understand what exactly you need to do. So I have seen a situation. Okay. So after upgrade, some services are not working as expected. Immediately, what you need to do? You need to do rollback. Rollback means you need to bring back the previous version. Understand? Okay. That rollback procedure also documented in MOP. ఓకే. మీరు బగ్స్ రిజాల్వ్ అవుతాయని చెప్పేసి అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత బగ్స్ రిజాల్వ్ అయ్యాయా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలి. అంత రిజాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వర్క్ అవుతుందంటే ఓకే. ఈ అప్గ్రేడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్‌ఎక్స్‌పెక్టెడ్ అప్గ్రేడ్ రైట్ అన్‌ఎక్స్‌పెక్టెడ్ బిహేవియర్ అనుకుంటే మళ్ళీ రోల్ బ్యాక్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. రోల్ బ్యాక్ అంటే ఏంటి? ప్రీవియస్ వర్షన్‌లోకి సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ చేసి యూ నీడ్ టు డూ థట్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ సిస్కో ఐఓఎస్ అప్గ్రేడ్. ఓకే. సో యాహ్! If you have any questions, please ask me. I hope uh, we have completed 1 hour, right? Okay, no problem. Now tell me, anyone having any questions?
Yeah, Ramesh. So to roll back, we need to take snapshot, right? Initially,
That is for Juniper.
Juniper. Okay.
Juniper, the procedure is different. That is Linux based. Request system snapshot, you need to take it. Yeah, you can follow it. I already provided a document, right? For Juniper upgrade. If you see, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you can follow that. The upgrade procedures. These are the documents. You can take a snapshot and to recover the thing. There are a lot of procedure available in Juniper as well. Okay. When I was working in Cisco things, right? It was like I did a USB upgrades. Bootable USB చేసేసి డైరెక్ట్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తుంటే యా యా ఫేర్ ఎనఫ్ I think it is useful for you. Is it useful? So this is one of the biggest roles and responsibility, guys. So companies like big companies are using thousands of devices. When you join in any company, this is it. So some interviews they might ask you, now you are good at this. Okay, you can explain them. Okay, how to upgrade it. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, license installation also same, huh?
License installation is also same, man. Yeah, let me show that as well. See, license is very easy. You have a
Okay.
you should have a license key. Okay, you have a license key. Okay, see, I have a license. Like see, show license and all. If I give right, see, I have all this license. Okay, na. So how to install license? It's very easy. So you can run a commands. Can you see my screen, everyone? So license means some devices, some L3 switches, their routing will not work in some advanced routing. You need to purchase a license. So these all are the license currently I have in my device. Okay. So you need to check it, show system license, and same thing. Okay. You can install a license in the same way. Okay. First copy it and you know and license. You can see. Let's see. Go to licenses smart, right? Smart licensing. Okay, you can give license smart and register. You have id, right? If you have id, register id, give a token number. Okay, understand? Give a register id, it will be installed. Okay, is it clear, brother? Give a token number, the word.
Yes, sir.
So that will be applied and save it. Okay, since your router also have internet, right? That will be enabled. Okay, the token is very confidential. and the activation key also. So yeah, okay, this is a way to configure. Okay, yeah. So this is the ID token and other things also. Yeah, since any questions, the commands are easy, man. The commands are easy to get from internet. Okay, official Cisco documents, you'll get it. Also, you can talk to tag team. They will share the files to add the license. Yeah. Anything else? So the password recovery we can discuss next week. Okay. Is this?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
One down. While pushing the iOS into the device, sometimes it will show there is no memory because of a lot
Okay.
of
Good question, man.
configurations. Correct.
Yeah. Very good.
In that case,
Yeah. Yeah. In that case, simple. You need to remove the files from your flash. Are you seeing my screen? Hello. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So simple. What is the flash? Here we have. This is the thing. Remove it. Okay. Director flash, right? So I think delete or remove. Delete, right? Delete,
Delete flash.
delete flash
Flash.
0 and give the file.
No, no.
Okay. And the file, some file. Okay. That will be deleted.
no,
Sorry. That's it only, right? Delete
there is
flash
only the
0,
configuration file.
whatever it is. Whatever you want to delete it, man. I don't want to delete anything. This is a production, let it be. Okay. So startup config also there. If you want to delete startup config, you can. If you want to delete okay. We have a lot of files, right? I don't want this. Let's remove this. See, it is asking confirm. Yeah, it is deleted. See, now it is deleted, right? Is it deleted? Yeah, successfully deleted, and you got a lot of free space. Yeah. Check system storage. Show system. Check the storage. Show storage. I think show. There's a command. Okay. Uh, okay. So you can check the storage first. Yeah. So directory
Uh,
command. Hello. Someone is asking.
yeah,
Okay.
hello.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah. This is the file system. Check how much is free, how many bytes are free. This much flash 0, this much of memory is free. Okay. Yeah. So check the storage and do it. This is also one of the checklist before you need to upgrade. That's a good call, brother. You need to check the storage.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Please go
One
ahead.
more question.
Mm.
After deleting the iOS image, I mean, old iOS image,
Mm.
there is no space. Means we should remove the config file and
No, no,
we should
don't remove
push,
the
right?
config
Because
file. Don't remove the config file in case you have a boot system variable, right? Don't remove the config file. You can remove config file will have some KBs only. Remove this is the biggest package, right? Remove this package
I
and
mean,
this one as well.
if it comes to the chassis, we don't have a space, right?
No, we should have
Hope you
enough space,
understand.
man. We should have enough space. Why don't you have? You have to see when you purchase any hardware, you'll check the RAM and ROM, right? Each and every device have a RAM and ROM. This device also 512 MB of RAM I have. Okay, and 512 MB of RAM and flash 0
Configuration.
configuration. What do you mean by configuration? I didn't understand.
See, after configuration, the file, some devices have a lot of configurations, correct, right? In
Even
that case,
whatever it is, that will not increase more than MBs, right? GBs. The configuration, everything in the
okay,
form of text, right? That will not consume more. These things will consume. What are the packages will have more consume more memory? Is these images as well as core dumps. Core dumps also will be GBs and support bundle. Okay, support bundles collecting of logs that will consume more memory. Those unnecessary files you can delete it. Yeah.
yeah, got it. Thank you.
Sir, after rebooting,
ఇప్పుడు మనం
here two iOS is there, no? Which one will take?
No, this is just a memory. In the memory, these are the files. Okay.
No,
You
2 iOS is there, no?
what
Previous iOS
man?
also there, right?
Whatever
So
iOS is
after
that,
rebooting, which
this is a
will
memo. This is a memory.
hmm,
This is a flash memory. You have
okay.
a lot of iOS. Let it be. But what is the command you give? Boot system. Boot system. You gave which one? Which
Oh,
path you gave? You gave this. This
uh-huh.
should be
There.
there every time.
Okay, okay,
You don't remove this image. Okay.
okay,
If you remove it, that's it.
okay,
Collapsed. Okay. Yeah.
okay, okay. So what about config registry? We need to revert to previous one or will?
Yeah. Same thing. Change it. Now you upgraded this. It's not working fine. Now change the
Okay.
boot system to this and reboot it. That's it. Simple.
Now config registry we changed to 0x2102, right? That we need to change
That
revert
when
to
you
0x41.
purchase a new device, it comes with wrong config register. Okay, that is called boot
Okay,
variable.
okay.
You need to change to 0x2102 because it means you started using it and all the configuration, whatever you saved it, right, that will be kept in NVRAM. Okay, na? That will not be removed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today. I hope it is very useful. Okay,
Hello.
na?
సో ఇక్కడ ఓల్డ్ అండ్ న్యూ రెండు ఉంటాయా? లైక్ రెండు కనిపిస్తాయి మనకు ఉంటాయి, ఫైల్స్ అలాగే ఉంటాయా?
అన్ని ఫైల్స్ అలా ఉంటాయి. ఇది మెమరీ బ్రదర్. మెమరీలో నువ్వు డిలీట్ చేసే వరకు అన్ని అలాగే ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఒక ఫ్లాష్ ఇస్ ఎ
ఓకే,
మెమరీ.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. యా.
How much storage left in this? How can
ఏంది?
we see?
హియర్ షో ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్స్. దిస్ మచ్ ఇస్ ఫ్రీ
Okay.
ఇన్ దిస్. ఓకే. యా.
It's 250 MB, right? Total storage.
Yeah, it's 512 MB. It's close to, let's see how much MB. It's in bytes, right? Let's check here.
26 MB.
Bytes in MB. 126 MB is free now. Okay. Total how much it is?
260 MB.
Yeah, 260 MB. Out of 260, 126 MB is free. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.
Ramesh, I